In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from ClickUp. If you manage a team or workspace, keeping access up to date is essential for security, billing, and keeping your projects organized. Removing someone from ClickUp simply revokes their access. It doesn't erase your tasks or history, so you can keep working without disruption. Start by opening your ClickUp account and signing in with a role that has permission to manage people, such as an owner or admin. If you don't have the right access, you won't see the option to remove users, so it's worth checking your role first. Next, head to Settings. Look for the gear icon, typically found in the sidebar or near your workspace name. Clicking Settings opens the administrative area where you control your workspace's configuration and manage who's in it. From there, choose People. This section lists everyone in your workspace, including members and guests. It's the central place to review who has access, what their roles are, and to make changes as needed. If your team is large, use the search bar to quickly find the person you're looking for. Once you locate the right person, move your cursor to their entry and look for the three dots icon next to their name. That three-dot menu is often labeled as More Options. Click it to open the actions you can take for that individual. In the menu, select Remove. This action removes the person from your ClickUp workspace and revokes their access to your spaces, tasks, and notifications. In many cases, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to read it carefully so you're certain you've selected the correct person. Confirm the removal to finalize it. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Removing someone does not delete tasks or comments they've created. Your project history stays intact. If the person was a guest, this can free up a guest seat. If they were a member, it may affect billing on your next cycle. If any tasks are assigned to that person, plan ahead for reassignment so work doesn't stall. And if you only need to limit access rather than remove it, adjusting their permissions or moving them to a guest role might be a better fit. That's all there is to it. Open your account, go to Settings, select People, find the person, click the three dots, and choose Remove. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your workspace regularly to keep access clean and secure.